So are you planning a trip to South Africa and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I am Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for South Africa in 2025. So I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. So the links are located in the description below, and let's dive in. So the eSIM provider that I recommend for South Africa is Airalo. If you're looking for a cheap and flexible plan, Airalo is a strong pick. For South Africa, the options start with 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2 gig for $8, valid for 15 days, and 3 gig for $11, valid for 30 days. For heavier data users, you can get 5 gig for $15.50 and 10 gig for just $26, both valid for 30 days. The app is super simple to use, and once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly, and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options that they offer, then I'll recommend Maya Mobile. I have tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, then Maya's plan offers great value. You get a 10-day option like 3 gig for $8.99, 5 gig for $14.39, and 10 gig for $26.09. And if you're going heavy on data, you've even got 20 gig or unlimited for $44.99. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount at checkout. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. So when you click the link in the description, it'll take you to Maya's homepage. And from there, you're just going to type South Africa into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans, and you're just going to choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see a 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. And once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So which one should you choose, Airalo or Maya Mobile? Well, if you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or long stays, then Airalo takes the top spot. The plans are flexible and the app is user-friendly, but if you're going for short-term, high-speed use, Maya Mobile gives you a better value, especially with the unlimited option. Now, both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Just pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in South Africa in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.